Tsunamis, colossal waves that unexpectedly surge to the size of multi-story buildings, wreak havoc on their path, claiming numerous lives. These devastating phenomena are not fictional monsters from movies but rather the sudden gathering of ordinary seawater. It is crucial to understand the signs of an impending tsunami to stay safe. Tsunamis in the open ocean are generally small, measuring only about a meter in height, but they can stretch between 100 to 200 kilometers in length, making them 1,000 times larger than regular waves. These monstrous waves travel at incredible speeds, comparable to jet planes. However, it is when tsunamis approach the coasts that they grow into massive and destructive forces. The cause of a tsunami can be varied, including earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, landslides, explosions, and asteroid impacts. Seismic activity is the primary culprit in 88% of cases. Unlike ordinary waves, tsunamis are propelled through the water rather than on its surface. Around 95% of a tsunami's life cycle remains hidden beneath the ocean's surface, only revealing itself as it approaches land. The initiation of a tsunami occurs when the lithospheric plates of the Earth's crust shift abruptly during an earthquake. The resulting vertical oscillations of the ocean generate a series of waves, causing widespread devastation. When a tsunami strikes the shores, its tremendous speed, ranging from 400 to 880 kilometers per hour, poses a grave threat. Observing a tsunami from the coastline will not resemble what is seen in disaster films. In fact, the water often recedes before a tsunami hits, exposing the coast due to land settling after the earthquake. It is crucial not to be deceived by this phenomenon and avoid collecting shells or venturing onto the exposed seabed. As the wave nears the coastline, its speed slows down, but the water mass continues to rise, resulting in a towering crest. The farther the water recedes, the more colossal the tsunami becomes. The actions taken during a tsunami are time-sensitive. Once an alarm is issued or a tsunami is visible on the horizon, individuals have a maximum of 20 minutes to retreat at least 10 kilometers inland. Climbing onto a sturdy tree or roof can also provide temporary safety. It is advisable to avoid getting stuck in traffic by not relying on a car as the primary means of escape. If caught in the water, removing heavy shoes and clothes is crucial for better maneuverability and reducing the risk of being carried away by debris. Tsunamis often occur in multiple waves, and the first wave may not necessarily be the largest. Subsequent waves may arrive hours after the initial impact, carrying devastating force and causing further destruction. Only after the final wave has passed, which could take 3 to 4 hours, can one breathe a sigh of relief. Relying solely on the behavior of the water as an indicator of an impending tsunami is not enough. Timely information and warnings from tsunami warning centers are crucial for accurate forecasts. These centers monitor seismic activity and provide vital minutes or hours for coastal residents to take action. While underwater earthquakes are the primary cause of tsunamis, other factors can also trigger these deadly waves. Volcanic eruptions, although responsible for a small percentage of tsunamis, have historically caused catastrophic events. Human activities, such as detonating underwater atomic bombs, have also generated tsunamis. Even asteroids with diameters exceeding 1 kilometer falling into the water can result in devastating tsunamis. The deadliest recorded tsunami occurred near the island of Sumatra in 2004, touching 14 countries and claiming over 200,000 lives. The energy released by the triggering earthquake was equivalent to 20,000 atomic bombs like the one dropped on Hiroshima. Tsunamis should be considered when planning a vacation. It is essential to note that small waves occur infrequently, with record-breaking heights observed only once a decade. Witnessing a tsunami or any other natural disaster can leave a profound impact on individuals and communities. The sheer force and destruction unleashed by these catastrophic events serve as a stark reminder of the power of nature. It emphasizes the need for preparedness, awareness, and timely response to mitigate the potential loss of lives and minimize the damage caused. In the aftermath of a tsunami, the process of recovery and rebuilding begins. Communities come together, resilience shines through, and assistance pours in from both local and international sources. Relief efforts focus on providing immediate aid, such as food, clean water, medical care, and temporary shelter, to those affected by the disaster. Organizations and government agencies work hand in hand to restore infrastructure, rebuild homes, and support the emotional and psychological well-being of survivors. Lessons learned from past tsunamis and natural disasters have led to advancements in early warning systems and evacuation protocols. Tsunami warning centers, equipped with sophisticated monitoring technology, play a crucial role in detecting seismic activity and issuing timely alerts to vulnerable coastal regions. Improved communication networks and community outreach programs ensure that people receive vital information and are aware of evacuation routes, safe zones, and emergency procedures. Education and public awareness campaigns about tsunamis are essential in fostering preparedness and resilience. Teaching individuals how to recognize the signs of an impending tsunami, understand evacuation protocols, and develop a disaster preparedness kit can save lives. Communities and schools organize drills and training sessions to simulate emergency scenarios, enabling people to practice their response and familiarize themselves with evacuation procedures. International collaboration is also vital in enhancing global preparedness and response to tsunamis. Countries prone to tsunamis share their expertise, experiences, and resources with regions that may be less equipped to handle such disasters. Collaborative research and information sharing contribute to a deeper understanding of tsunamis, their causes, and their impact, leading to more effective prevention and mitigation strategies. While we cannot prevent tsunamis from occurring, we can work together to minimize their impact and protect lives. Continued efforts in scientific research, technological advancements, and community preparedness will further enhance our ability to anticipate and respond to these devastating events. In conclusion, tsunamis are natural disasters of immense power and destructive potential. Recognizing the signs of an impending tsunami, understanding evacuation procedures, and staying informed through reliable warning systems are crucial steps in safeguarding lives. By fostering preparedness, raising awareness, and promoting international collaboration, we can work towards a safer and more resilient future in the face of these formidable forces of nature.